We are coming to you live from the Riveter here in beautiful Asheville, North Carolina. We've got wonderful clay. As you can see, it will leave stains for days, but you know what this will do? Give you memories for a lifetime. Come out and shred with us. Let's have some fun.
What's up, guys? We're here at the Mongoose Jam. The vibes are good, the dirt is good, the popsicles are good. That's all I gotta say. I'm mic'd up. Oh my God, Angie Marino's on a bike. She's been here, but she hasn't ridden since her leg's been broken. Oh my God! First day back.
Welcome to Radshare and Mongoose Jam at the Riveter in Asheville, North Carolina. Our mic is still broken. Today is my first day back riding from my broken leg. We are pumping around. Lots of ladies out here. Let's have a fun week. Let's have a fun day.
I know Nina, I know Angie, I know me.
Do you? Do you really know yourself?
Not really, no.
Okay.
Dang, Cory just did a turn down.
Trying out over here in the contest.
Can we skip the song, please?
Oh, dude, it's a hot one, but it's awesome. Look at the vibe here. There's so many kids ripping.
USA!
My nose ring's coming out. You like my list? Oh, I just got hit in the eye with a bee. Dude, a bee just hit me like straight in the eye. Did you get that? Oh, I just got hit in the eye. That was scary. You heard it? Yeah. Ooh, it smacked me hard. I haven't hit this one yet. Let's do it. She just ET too.
Purple what? Okay, all purple. Yes, it was. All right.
That's fair.
Okay.
Looks a little more stable.
Yeah.
That's good?
Yeah.
I'm camera shy!
Rider!
Yeah! Lorna Wiley. And you just won? The standout women's rider. At the Riveter. Third body, yeah! For the hooligan team. Win for the hooligan team. Yeah! Can you please explain what had happened here?
I don't want to talk about it.
You see, what had happened here was...
Well, I thought I could down whip, but apparently I can't. That is what had happened there.
See, what had happened here was...
That is what had happened.
I don't even know what to say now.
Background, baby! Woo! Bloom BMX, thanks for coming out. Mongoose Jam, 50th anniversary, yeah!